Well, I just got over to the house and here's my master closet. We decided, hi. Okay, since a few of my people said they loved that I looked in the mirror and said hi, because I really should have someone videotaping this, but I don't, it's just me. Anyway, so we, after painting this whole thing around the old shelving, I said, you know what? I just really feel like it's time to put a really nice carpet down here, a really nice California closet design, really nice light fixtures, and really nice cabinets over here. I just, you can't do this house without going all the way. And unfortunately that can add for a lot of extra expense, but we're in it to win it. So here we go. That's the closet. Let's see what else the guys got done today. Demo is happening right now. The kitchen's coming out, so you can see the kitchen's coming apart. I sold it to someone on Facebook and they're coming back on Monday for a couple days, I guess, to come get this. They've got a few over here, getting our pocket door finished over here right now. And there's our beautiful light fixture that I love. It's all metals, it'll match our other stuff. And let's see what else is going on in here. Oh yeah, we got, it's all coming down. These guys are coming to get this. All coming down. We're keeping their coolers. And then even this is the big pantry area that came out. Also, let's see what else is over here. Yeah, we got to trim this down here. Oh, my husband got that light switch up, it looks like. Tomorrow, the electrician comes and does some work, and this has got to be fixed. This was the rack on the entryway that was set up. That's got to be touched up, cleaned up, made to look better, because that's for my pickleball bags. Yes, yes. And, okay, these are cabinets that were left here. I really don't like the color, and I wouldn't have gone with this quality because it's a little bit not as high end as I would have gone probably for cabinets in my garage, but my husband just put these shelves on, or the handles, so I think that's going to be okay. He wouldn't let me change them anyways at this point, just because they're fine for the garage, he says, which they are. This is the stuff going to the dump. That's the old disposal that I said I would give to the new buyer, so I'll make sure they don't throw that away as well. But anyways, it's a great day. What a great day. How fun. This is coming along. Lots to come. Okay, so here's our master closet. We decided, I think I videotaped this a couple days ago, but decided to take all this down after we painted. So now we got to prep all the walls and do all the little drywall touch-ups, repaint to make it ready for our new closet. We decided to go all out on this closet, and we're going to put, not all out, I mean, some people spend crazy amounts, but we're taking out all these. We took out all those drawers, and we're having new ones added with beautiful trim and beautiful hardware on them. We're going to have a place, built in for security for our safe, stuff like that. These light fixtures are coming down. We have nice little, the big thing now is those little cute chandelier things in your master closet. But I'm not too much of a frou-frou-y type, so it's not going to be glittery type stuff. It'll be soft chandelier stuff. And we decided replace the carpet. Once we're going for it, gotta go do it all the way. So here's something that my husband wanted to wait on for a year, but I said, I don't want him to live in another construction mess in a year. So let's just knock it out, get it done, man. This is the closet coming along. Kitchen cabinets are disappearing. They're loading them right now, the guys that bought them. He's an HVAC guy locally, which is always a great contact to have. So just a few more left that they got to take all these down. Haven't sold this fridge. We're getting the drywall prepped for over there in my pocket door. That's going to be cool. And then we got to get these walls. Oh, my husband got all this tile off this weekend. And then we've got to get these walls ready for the kitchen company, because we decided to do that part ourselves to save a little bit of money. Anyway, here's the other cabinets that have to go. And then these drink coolers, we are going to clean up and keep those. Got to keep something, my goodness. Anyways, so those will go back here under this window. And then on each side up here, we'll have cabinets. One will be a coffee bar, one will be part of our bar, and the drink coolers will go back here too. So it'll be a little workstation. And then of course, this is where the big pantry is going to go. And it's going to go pretty far up, but not all the way to the ceiling. It's gonna go quite a ways. But now I gotta deal with dust up there. Are you kidding me? Anyway, wanted to kind of talk about a few things that happen when you are doing construction and doing a renovation. Now, this is, of course, a personal rehab with a lot higher value and expense. But this half bath, and it actually has no light in here, which I'm surprised you could see anything. But I did buy some Amazon stuff, you know, light fixtures and faucets, and I'm testing them out with the color of what we're gonna go with. And it's very interesting, but you know, when you get them in, you have to actually make sure the brass or whatever metal you're using works well together. They look good in the room. And luckily with Amazon's return policy, I had to buy 2 faucets. I got to return one of them. 2 light fixtures, I'm gonna return one of them. And this mirror is one I had somewhere else, so it's gonna look just fine. Now, not really, really, really expensive stuff, but trust me, I spent it in other areas. This ceiling fan, we just realized, like, oh, I love this ceiling fan. This is what we have in our other house. And this is a nicer one. But I realized that by the time we put our furniture in here, which is the couch goes right by this like light thing, that is gonna be over the couch and not centered. So I think they're gonna have to move it into that beam, which is a real bummer. My husband's not gonna like that because then we have to patch that then and pay the electrician to move it over there. So anyways, these are the kind of things that happen with construction. And unfortunately, it happens in every project, no matter where you are, no matter what you do, it happens, these kind of things.